Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to solve some more question on the topic of adjustment capital, closed capital adjustment. Today I am going to start the question number 52. Okay beta? There the question is A, B and C are partners. Their capital 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Okay beta? The capital amount is A, B and C are partners. 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Capital is this. And then after that on 1st April, accounting for the year, they interest on capital 5%. Interest on capital 5%. Okay. And then salary of B. A salary and the salary of A 5,000 per month. A salary 5,000 per month. Okay beta? And C was credited to the commission of 5% on profit after charging interest on capital but before charging any salary. Okay beta? Salary of A. We are going to calculate the commission of C. It's after charging interest on capital but before charging salary. Okay beta? And the profit of 3,60,000. Profit amount 3,60,000 that will distribute in the ratio of capital. It means 1:2:3, but profit sharing ratio is 2:3:5. Profit sharing ratio is 2:3:5. Okay beta? Now we are going to start how to solve this type of question. Okay, first A, B, C and total, then interest on capital 5%. What amount is coming? 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Okay, clear? 5,000, 10,000 and 15,000. Then salary of a 5,000 per month means 60,000. Then commission. Now we are going to calculate the commission in working note. How we are going to calculate beta? Here is written on profit after charging interest on capital before charging beta salary. After charging interest on capital total is 30,000. Your profit is 3,60,000 less 30,000, 3 lakh 30,000, 5% of 3 lakh 30,000. Okay beta? Just calculate 5% of 3 lakh 30,000, 16,500. It's for C. Now total here 65,000, 10,000, 31,500. Okay beta? Then total amount is 1,06,500. 1,06,500. Okay? 60,000, 70,000, 1 lakh, 1,06,500. Clear? Then write down profit. Okay? Then profit amount is 3,60,000. Less this amount 005 352 2,53,500. Okay. Now going to divide this amount in all partner in his profit sharing ratio. Okay. Just divide this amount in all partner in the ratio of 2, 3, 5, as like that, 2, 5, 3, 0, 5 into 2 upon 10, 2, 5, 3, 5, 0, 3 upon 10, 2, 5, 3, 5, 0, and 5 upon 10. 0, 7, okay, next 0, next okay, just write the all things. First is 50,700, second 76,050 rupees, third 1,26,550, and 5, 700, 11, 50, 06, 8, okay, total this all amount, that amount is 3,60,000. Okay, beta, just divide this amount in the ratio of 1:2:3. 6,006, 1:2:3 means divide in 1:2:3. 60,000, 1,20,000, and 1,80,000. Okay, 0, 5, 5, 0, 9, 3, 3. Okay, this side 750, 1, 2. Okay, clear? Minus, minus, it's a plus. Then entry what beta? Entry is C capital account debit to A capital account debit to A, B capital to C capital. Okay, 55,700, 33,950, 21,750. Okay, beta? Clear? Now it's came? Clear or not? It's clear, beta? Okay, I am going for the one more question. Okay, beta? Just see the next question. There are the partners of three partners again. Okay, 1,50,000 profit, that is divided in 2:2:1. But this following they are missed. A and B are the just salary of 1,500 per month. Okay, C entitled 18,000 commission. A and C guarantee to minimum profit of rupees 50,000 per month. Profit is distributed 3:3:2. Okay, beta? Now we are going to start the question. First salary, then commission. Okay, write down A, B, C and total. A, B, C and total. Salary 15,000 per month means 6,000, 6,000 commission 18,000. Okay, beta. And then guarantee of C 50,000 per month profit. Okay. Okay, beta. Then total 12,000, 18,000. Total is 30,000. Write down profit. Profit amount beta 1,50,000. Difference amount beta 1,20,000. Okay beta. 1,20,000. Now divide this 1,20,000 in the ratio of 3:3:2. Okay, because the profit sharing ratio is this 3:3:2. 3, 3, 6 to 8. One time 5, 50. It means 45,000, 45,000 and 30,000. 6,000, 6,000 and 18,000. But here the guarantee of B, they didn't get less than 50,000. Okay, beta? They didn't get less than 50,000. Means we have to give the 5,000 here, and that amount is by the A and C because they are giving the guarantee, beta. Okay, they are giving the guarantee, so that amount is given by A and C. So here add 5,000, and that 5,000 is distributed in the A and C in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta. So here 3,000 and 2,000 less. 42,000, 50,000, 28,000. Take the grand total. This and this. 46,000, 56,000, 48,000, and total amount is 1,50,000. That is the main amount which we have to write. Okay, in a partner's capital account. But this amount is distributed in the 2:2:1. Wrongly this amount distributed 2:2:1. Just distribute this amount 2:2:1. Means 60,000, 60,000 and 30,000. This side 12,000, 6,000, 4,000, 16,000. It means answer is C capital account debit to A capital and to B capital. 16,000, 12,000 and 4,000. Okay beta? 12,000 and 4,000 to C capital. 16,000. Because it's plus then credit, these two are minus then debit. Clear beta? It's clear? Okay. In next class we are taking some more question on the same topic. Okay? Okay. Thank you.